Sir, thank you for your opportunity to speak to such an important bill, sir.
Are you participating when we are?
No, not participating. Sir, elections are the consensus of any democratic society and hence the endeavors of the centre to introduce elections reforms, especially into the run-up to this assembly elections in the 5 states. It will be introduced in the intention of the bill. Many of the proposed reforms will smoothen the election process and streamline the voters' enrollment processes of the country. At the same time, some of the amendments are under the bill require the further scrutiny and reassessment in ownership. They may be controversial to the establishment of principles of the free of the fair elections. Positives.
Please,
Multiple cut-off the dates
you are a senior member.
for
Go back to
the
your
new
seat.
names in the electoral results.
आप सब लोग जाएं और सीट पर अपनी जाए,
January has
Please, go back to your seats.
many youngsters have the right to vote since they may turn up to 18 years old after the cut-off date in
Please let the house
particular
run.
year.
नहीं, आप सब अगर वेल में आए तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ आप जाएं और बिल पे डिस्कस करें। ये आपको अधिकार है सेलेक्ट कमेटी में भेजने का, आपने मूव किया हुआ है। Please,
Of 1st April,
go back to your
1st
seat.
July and 1st
Please go
October,
back.
those turning 18 after January will get an equal opportunity to
Please.
get their names
Please,
included in the
do not talk to chair.
electoral rolls and
Please.
exercise their
Please.
right of votes.
Please,
Under the neutrality in elections of law. Currently, the election law provides for the wife of a man serving in the armed force to register as a service voter, but the husband of a woman serving in the armed force does not have this right. By replacing the word wife with spouse, the bill allows the husband of a woman serving in the armed force to register as a service voter as well. Suggestions: Anonymize the Aadhaar will percolate into our electoral data. The logic behind linking Aadhaar database with the electoral database is to ensure error-free electoral rolls by preventing duplicating entries. But this is followed logic for two main reasons, sir. First, Aadhaar is proof of residence that can be obtained even non-citizens also, where the right to vote is restricted only to citizens. The linking of Aadhaar
please go back to your seats.
in
Let
the
him speak.
inclusion of non-citizens in our electoral roll.
Please.
Second, there are
आप
been
वेल में खड़े हैं,
numerous
please go
reports
back to
for
your seat.
fake
Please go back
and
to your seat.
duplicate Aadhaar cards across the country.
वेल से खड़ा होकर चेयर से बात करने की परंपरा नहीं है। Please go back to your seats.
Is contemplated the Aadhaar database itself has fake and duplicate entries, sir. Concession regarding exclusive delegated legislation, sir. The bill provides that a name
Nothing
cannot
is going
be
on record.
excluded from the electoral roll
Except
due to the
member
inability
को बोल रहे हैं,
of a
please.
person to furnish Aadhaar details. But this is subject to two conditions, sir. The person must provide sufficient causes for not providing Aadhaar details. Second, the person must furnish alternative documents instead of Aadhaar. But the bill is silent as to what constitutes sufficient case and alternative documents.
ये आप सब कर रहे हैं। Please go it on the record. आप अपनी सीट पर जाए, बहस होने दें, आपका अधिकार है। Please.
The power of description, these essential details regarding sufficient case and alternative documents should not be delegated the center but sold to the parliament so that they cannot be subject to parliamentary security database. Hence, the details must be included within the main text of the bill, sir. Third number, the prescribing strict COVID-19 protocols for upcoming elections, sir. While we are on the subject of electoral issues, I would like to broach the subject of the upcoming assembly elections, sir. With the new
Your time is over.
variant of COVID-19 spreading
Your
rapidly
time is
across
over.
the country.
Please conclude.
Strict COVID-19 protocols must be laid down by the government of insurance.
Please conclude.
Ensure that the political rallies of the political rallies
Please
and
conclude.
poll campaigning do not turn into super spreads of variants, sir.
Venkat Rama Rao ji,
Efforts
please
must be
conclude.
made to ensure that the COVID-19 mismanagement that occurs during to the 2021
Please.
assembly elections is not repeated.
Please
upcoming
conclude.
elections, sir.
Your time is over.
Just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute,
Please,
sir.
please.
To encourage the consolation, while the bill has many progressive aspects, it will prove to be beneficial of it when the concerns are addressed thoroughly. I urge the government to take these suggestions into due consideration.
Please
With
conclude.
these concerns, I support this bill, sir.
Please conclude. Thank you. श्री सुशील मोदी, माननीय सुशील मोदी।